Moving on, another big story of the day, healthcare workers who were initially vaccinated on January 16th will be administered the second dose of COVID vaccine starting today in Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Few states like Maharashtra and Karnataka are still awaiting central's nod and won't be administering second dose today. With the number of beneficiaries being vaccinated rising now slightly, the key challenge for the authorities will be to keep up the pace in the second part of vaccine dosage administration as well. A total of 77,66,319 beneficiaries have been vaccinated till February 12. Of these, around 58 lakh healthcare workers got vaccinated, constituting 58% of target, while 19 lakh frontline workers have taken the jab so far, which is 21% of the targeted numbers. I'm now being joined by Ayushman Kumar from Delhi and Govind Singh Gurjar from Bhopal, who will give us the latest on this big story that we are tracking on Mirror now. First, going to Ayushman. So Ayushman, now that the second dose of vaccine will be given today, we need to focus on the big challenges here. One of the top challenges that is coming in right now on top of my mind is that to convince people to step out again and get jabbed again. That is going to be a big challenge for the authorities.
Yes, Gauri. In fact, even if you consider the number today, the healthcare workers which have been given the vaccine for over 1 month, still the number is still hinging at about 58%. In last 10 days, about 20% of the frontline workers have been given the vaccine. So the pace of vaccination in frontline workers seems to be picking up, but the healthcare workers still remain at the very normal level. And going at this pace, it will take years to vaccinate the entire population of the in the national scenario. In the current context, vaccine hesitancy is something that the government is trying to focus upon. In fact, Gauri, if you remember, the health ministry has said that a mop-up round will be again organized, and this will be done between February 20th to February 24th. In this mop-up round, all those healthcare workers who have missed their chances, they have not come forward and still wants to get the vaccine, they can come and get the vaccine. But once they miss this chance of getting vaccinated in mop-up round, that would be the last term when they will be given additional chance, and after that they will be going to the age bracket category. So still, if you see, around 40 to 42% of healthcare workers have not turned up. The number is still very large, and currently vaccine hesitancy is something that needs to be checked, and how the numbers can go up and rapidly, because not just the number but pace is also something that is very, very important in order to vaccinate the large number of people that India has.
Right. Ayushman, stay with us. I would also like to go to Govind now, who is joining us live from Bhopal. So Govind, what is the response like in Bhopal?
Yeah, absolutely, Gauri. As you know that the first phase of the vaccination starts from 16th of Jan across the country, and right now we are reporting from JP Hospital of Bhopal, where the vaccination first starts at 16th of Jan. The first phase and the second phase started on 8th of February, and here the counter where the informations are being collected of those who have received the messages. But as you know that today 28 days, it means after 4 weeks, the second shot of the first phase is supposed to vaccinate it to those who are the beneficiaries of the first shot. But here, after 28 days, we just got the information that it's supposed to be after 28 days. So it's going to be start here in Bhopal, probably from Monday, coming Monday. We try to talk to one of the doctors posted here. Sir, क्या second phase, second shot, in fact, first phase का कैसा क्या program है भी?
Basically, if you are vaccinated for the first dose, the second dose should be vaccinated after 28 days, not before the 28 days. After 28 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, it is basically booster dose. So we are just going to start from Monday onwards, second dose of the vaccination of Covishield. So we will start on the Monday.
So this is what we have received the information that from Monday, the second shot of the first phase will be given to those who have been the beneficiary of the first shots.
Right. Thank you, Govind, for sharing all those details.